Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question 36 from CBSE Grade 10 Standard Math 2026 board paper. The question goes like this. On a Sunday, your parents took you to a fair. You could see a lot of toys displayed and you wanted them to buy a Rubik's Cube and a strawberry ice cream for you. Based on the information given above, answer the following questions. Question 1. Find the length of the diagonal of the Rubik's Cube if each edge measures 6 centimeter. The length of the diagonal of the Rubik's Cube is a times root 3. A is 6, so 6 root 3 centimeter. Question 2. Find the volume of the Rubik's Cube if the length of the edge is 7 centimeter. Volume of the cube is, if we represent the edge as L, it is L cube, that is 7 cube, which is 343 centimeter cube. Question 3, subdivision A. What is the curved surface area of hemisphere if the base radius is 7 centimeter? The CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square, where r is 7. On calculating, we get 308 centimeter square. B part of question 3. If two cubes of edges 4 centimeter are joined end to end, then find the surface area of the resultant cuboid. This is a rough sketch of the cuboid. The edge of the cube is 4 centimeter and the breadth is also 4 and the height is also 4. The length of the cuboid is 4 plus 4, that is 8 centimeter, and the breadth of the cuboid is 4 centimeter and height is also 4 centimeter. The surface area of cuboid, which gives us 2 times 80, that is 160 centimeter square. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.